sudden changes in mood, behavior, thoughts, feelings, or if you develop suicidal thoughts or actions. Report fever, stiff muscles, and confusion, which can be life-threatening, or uncontrolled muscle movements.
St. James Coach, God calls and Powhatan. The anniversary Pastor Ray Brandon and Kristen Jackson on Sunday, March 5th, 3 p.m. Guest speaker host Joey Mill, Victoria's Ministries Church. Southern Plainsmen Quartet is a concert at Ashland Baptist Church Sunday, March 5th, 6 p.m. And Coach may held once from 6 to 8 in a short way. Here's what there's Kaitlyn Mill, there's Kat Arnold, there's the water and a friend.
There are so many benefits and awards. You gotta talk really fast.
This is written in the region to reflect and law. River March 9, 1 p.m.
It's pronounced too bad. Get T-Mobile Home Internet just $35 a month with a 5-year price guarantee. Win one championship, you're celebrated. Win twice, they call you a hero. 3 times, they say words like legend and dynasty. But when you've won it all 7 times, the trophy speaks for itself. Introducing the full lineup of brand trucks. Brand 7-time winner of Motor Trend's Truck of the Year. Get fully priced plus cash allowance incentives for an average 15% below MSRP. Plus current owners or lessees of select competitive vehicles get $1,500 bonus cash on the 2025 Ram 1500. I worked instructor my whole life. Then one day, I heard my back problems on the job. I couldn't go to work. My bills were piling up. Then I realized more smart helps people hurt at work. So I called them. If you get hurt on the job, one call. That's all.
It's Drew's 50th. Drew, you've made so many. Is there anything this girl can't do? You print pen and paper with your cookbook, Rebel Homemaker, not one but 2 memoirs, and magazine. Flower Beauty made us all feel a little our best, and your beautiful line with kitchen appliances and furniture has won designer award. Meticulous when creating products right down to the color. Yeah. In fact, you're a big fan of the company Pantone, right? Wow, you're one of my favorites in the world. They are lived by their predictions and their trends, and like the big Pantone book in the world. This may be one of my favorite surprises. Yes, the global leader in color sourcing expertise is Pantone. Please welcome the head of fashion and interior for Pantone, Denise Williams. So Drew, at Pantone, we've created a universal language of color that designers and brands use worldwide to provide inspiration, to communicate a personal expression. And we're here today to celebrate your accomplishments by inviting you to be a part of the select few that has their very own